Good afternoon, everyone. This is by-DEGALA-BALAJI. Welcome back to my channel DB Stocks. Let us discuss what is going on market in today's live market. This is the first time I am explaining about my entry. Just I want to share the content that how I am taking the trade. If as we have discussed in the pre-analysis, if the market has opened about 35,000, that means gap. If the market opens gap down of about 35,500, means if it breaks that the 35,000 round level, if the market has given the breakdown of the 35,000 round level, means the market will give some selling pressure. As we have discussed, the market has not opened 35,000 round level. It has opened about 35,124. It has opened at about 35,124, and the market came downside from the first candle itself and created the day's high and day's low, and after that it has consolidated sometimes. But what is our entries? My entry is the first candle itself created day's high and day's low. I thought today is a sideways day because yesterday has become volatile day, so that's why I feel like it will be sideways day today. Maybe the price will be within this range, but I have to enter with the breakout failure or breakdown failure at the top and bottom itself. As I have thought myself, if it has given the breakout means I will be on buy side, if it has given the breakdown means I will be sell side. The market has given the breakdown failure in the 5 minutes time frame. The market has given the first 5 minutes candle has created the day's high and day's low, and market went upside from the bottom, and this candle 5 minutes candle at 10:25 has given the breakout with the solid candle, but it didn't sustain at the top, and it again given the breakdown from the top. So this is the scenario. We can see that the selling pressure is in the market. We can confirm it by candlestick pattern of bearish engulfing. So I have entered into the market at this point, that means closing of this next red candle, and keeping the stop loss of 35,150 or 157. This is the candle. That means if the candle has closed above this range, means this is my stop loss. I will exit my trade. That means I will square off my trade. Okay, now what is going on? I have entered into the market with this some quantity at this point, closing of this point. I have waited for the day's low breakdown. I have waited here, day's low breakdown. The day's low has been given the breakdown with the solid candle, and it came somewhat down. That means about 34,800, 900 or 880. Okay, see this now. Market has given breakout failure and the market came downside. That means with the some selling pressure. Okay, now again why market has went upside? This can be, it will be clear in 15 minutes time frame. This means market has came downside from the top without any retracement. That means market came downside without any retracement. It needs some retracement. That means the sellers will book some profit. Some of the sellers may book some profit, or the market will retrace. That means how much it can retrace, how we can estimate. That means how we can figure it out, how much it will go upside. The Fibonacci retracement will helps you in this range. The Fibonacci retracement will help you in these scenarios. See, the no 15 minutes candle has closed above the 50% of the Fibonacci retracement. We can check it out. We can get the double confirmation with the 5 minutes candle also. See here also same. The no 5 minutes candle has closed above this range. That means above this 50% of the Fib retracement. That means market came from upside to downside continuously without retracement. It has retraced about 50%. Again market has to go downside. This is the scenario we have to understand. I have already said many times, market won't come, market won't goes down. That means the market didn't give continuous fall from top to bottom. That means the market won't come from upside to downside without any retracement. Market will come half of the retrace, that means half selling. That means the market will give some pressure and again it will retrace and again it will come downside. This is the scenario we can observe all the time in the market. So the market came from upside, given 50% retracement. Now what I am looking for, I am looking for day slow. That means this is the day slow after retracement, 50% retracement. This is the day slow. At the day starting, this is the low. It already broken and again it created the day slow at this point. That means now this is the day slow of today's. I'm waiting for this day slow has to be breakdown. Now this day low breakdown, and but again it given breakout. So I am waiting, still waiting. Again it given the price action moment. Now we have to check out of the price action. This is the day slow. Okay, it has to, that means the price action, this is low and this is high, it has to cross this one. Means the we can expect that price is moving upside, but that candle didn't close above this range. That means it didn't given the breakout of price action of lower high. That means this is low point and this is high point. Okay, this is high point. That means the price action didn't given breakout of lower high, so we can still wait in the market. This is the low, this has been break. That means it has to be break, it has to be break and come downside. If it breaks this day slow, means again it will come somewhat downside. We can expect the somewhat fall in the market. By how we can expecting, the market has given somewhat breakdown with the solid candle. Again market is coming down, so still I am waiting, now what is the point make me to wait? Now this is the day slow and this is the price action moment. That means this is the price action. If market has break this, that means if market crosses this price action, that means this range, it given the breakout of this range with the solid candle, means I will exit my trade and I will square off my trade. If market breaks this range, that means breaks the day slow, I will still wait in the market. Okay, thank you. My trade is going on. This is what I want to tell you, share you my experience about how to take the entries. Thank you.